15 idioms about money. Break the bank. Meaning, to cost too much money. This phone is nice, but it will break the bank. We want a holiday that doesn't break the bank. Save for a rainy day. Meaning, to keep money for future problems. I save some money every month for a rainy day. It's smart to have savings for a rainy day. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, very expensive. That car cost an arm and a leg. Designer clothes usually cost an arm and a leg. Make ends meet. Meaning, to have just enough money to live. It's hard to make ends meet these days. She works 2 jobs to make ends meet. On a tight budget. Meaning, having limited money. I can't eat out. I'm on a tight budget. We planned a cheap trip on a tight budget. Money doesn't grow on trees. Meaning, money is not easy to get. Don't waste money. It doesn't grow on trees. My parents said money doesn't grow on trees. Bring home the bacon. Meaning, to earn money for the family. He works hard to bring home the bacon. She is the one who brings home the bacon now. Burn a hole in your pocket. Meaning, spend money quickly. My salary burns a hole in my pocket. He can't save. Money burns a hole in his pocket. A penny for your thoughts. Meaning, braining what someone is thinking. You look quiet, penny for your thoughts. She asked me, a penny for your thoughts? Time is money. Meaning, time is valuable. Let's be quick. Time is money. In business, people believe time is money. Easy money. Meaning, money earned with little effort. He thought it was easy money, but it wasn't. Online games are not always easy money. Money talks. Meaning, money has power and influence. In big deals, money talks. He got the job because money talks. Paid through the nose. Meaning, pay too much. We paid through the nose for that hotel. You'll pay through the nose if you buy it now. In the red. Meaning, losing money, in debt. The company is in the red this year. I'm in the red after buying that laptop. In the black. Meaning, making profit. The business is finally in the black. We hope to be in the black next month.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.